Kia Too Technical. As you can see, the kind people over at Crave was kind enough to send me out 2 cases for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. These do have MagSafe capability. Let me take you over to their website so you can see how much these will run you if you're into buying, if you want to buy this case for yourself. So these cases are just $19.99 plus tax. You get them in 4 different colors. So you get the blue, this blue color here. You get a black color. You get a maroon color, which they sent me over the maroon. And you also get a blue, the blue color, get the blue color, and then a green color. So 4 different colors. I think they sent me over the, I think this is black or blue. I can't tell right now. But first, let's get the maroon one open real quick. And I do like what Crave has to offer with their cases. So this is what your case is going to look like. This is like that maroonish red color. So it's a 2-part case, hard shell, hard plastic, and it goes just like that with your MagSafe in the middle. I won't be able to test that out because this is a dummy, but I'm just going to show you what this will look like if you want to pick up this case for yourself. You do get a nice lip protection. So if you place your phone down on the table, you will be good to go. No problem there. On the side, you do get nice clicky buttons for your power button. I don't know if you can hear that. Get your camera control button at the bottom. Can get to that, no problem. As you can see, you can get in there real good, no problem there. Coming down to the bottom, you do get all your cutouts for USB-C charging cable, your mics there. Coming to this side, you get your alert slider, get your volume up and down buttons. Coming to the back, you do get a nice deep cutout for your camera, but if you're still worried about your camera, you might want to get you a camera lens protector for this whole back plate. And if you place your phone flat down on the table on the back, you should still be good to go, no problem. You see the MagSafe capable ring is right there. And it also says Crave right there. So now let's open up this other color that they sent me over, which is the blue. I thought it was the blue. I wasn't sure, but yes, this is the blue. This is what the blue looks like. You just throw it on your device like so. I'll give you a quick look of what that looks like. It's gonna look the exact same because these are the exact same style cases, just different colors. Overall, I do like the look and the feel of both of these cases. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.